Hello everyone, welcome to Indian IAS. So now prelims is over and I hope all of you have done good attempts as well as accurate attempts. And if we analyze the paper, in my opinion, it is a bit between moderate and difficult. Alright, and if I talk about the polity segment, then polity segment can be categorized as moderate. Okay, but history was between moderate and difficult because some questions were very difficult. So if we break up the history into ancient, medieval and modern, then modern was moderate, but ancient medieval can be categorized as difficult because some questions were asked into depth, right? So ऐसे कई स्टेटमेंट और ऐसे कई कंफ्यूजिंग पार्ट्स थे जिसमें यूपीएससी ने डेप्थ में पूछा है एंड इट्स मोर लाइक ऑप्शनल काइंड ऑफ study that was required for ancient and medieval. But though, do not lose hope because paper was difficult, moderate to difficult for each and everyone, right? So wait, and that's depend upon the cutoff. So wait for the result, all right? And those who have done good attempts and those who find the paper was difficult and they have lost some questions or they have lost some answers, so do not lose hope because that completely depends upon the merit, right? So do not get demoralized about your wrong attempt. Okay, so now what you should do, you should now prepare for the next level, that is for mains, and visit our website so that you can access our answer key which is already uploaded, and we will discuss the analysis or we can discuss the paper on our classes, right? So all the best for all the students. All right, thank you.